Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO Legion Tab Gen 3 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Give all the permissions it needs, and as you can see right now we are in the standard photo mode. So first of all we can take a look at this option bar here, and to be honest I cannot really see the timer. So let's tap on this 3 bars icon at the bottom and the timer is right here. So we've got this 4th bar connected with the timer. We've got 3 different options, so off, 3 and 10 seconds delay. So let me choose 10 seconds delay. Just tap on the option I'd like to use, it will be immediately highlighted. So now we can go back to the camera, and unfortunately I cannot see any kind of icon or information that will show us that we've got the timer set. So you will always have a surprise after tapping on the shutter button, because that's what we have to do right now. Just tap on the shutter button, and as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Alright, of course you can turn this option off. Just tap on the 3 bars icon again and tap on this crossed out icon, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.